Then we come to the most important thing in trading, and that is your. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna talk about why you're not profitable yet as a trader. I've listed 5 things that are the biggest causes why you're not profitable yet and the things that you need to fix. The first one is your trading strategy. Let's start off with the most obvious one in the room. It is your trading strategy. And this is something that everyone will tell you. Your trading strategy is extremely important, but it's not everything. But how do you get your trading strategy? In order to have a successful trading strategy, you need to be profitable with that strategy. In order to know if you're profitable with that strategy, you will need to backtest that. The program I use to backtest, I will link it in the description, and I use this every single day. I use this to backtest my edge, and I use this to practice my edge. I've read a book yesterday, and in the book they laid out the daily schedule of Tiger Woods. Well, that man is a multi world champion in golf, and he still plays golf every single day from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Maybe even longer, I don't know. But it was insanely, and he does the beginner stuff, he does the more experienced stuff, he does everything because he still practices his edge. He still practices the thing that he is good in. And that's what you need to do. You need to practice your edge, and you need to practice to see this unconsciously every single day in the markets play out. If you backtest your edge, you're going to see this every single day in the markets again and again. So this is really important because you need to know, is your edge a winner? Is the strategy a winner? If you win 50 out of 100 trades and you have a 1/1 risk reward, you will be a break-even trader. If you win 50 out of 100 trades and your risk reward is 1/2, you will be a profitable trader. If you win 51 out of 100 trades and your risk reward is 1/1, you will still be a profitable trader. I have a chart right here, or a metric, something like that, where you can see how much risk reward you need to have compliance with your win rate. And here is a choice that you need to make. Are you going to adapt a strategy where your win rate is high but your risk reward is low? Or are you going to adapt a strategy when your win rate is low and your risk reward is high? If you want my advice, I would go for the high win rate because that will keep your psychology much more intact than the high risk reward. Second thing, you need a trading plan. Also the most obvious thing in the room. You need a trading plan, and you need to follow that trading plan religiously. Your trading plan contains of rules, and everyone is always telling you this: follow your trading plan. Yes, we know that. We know that we need to follow our trading plan, but what does need to be in our trading plan? Well guys, I've put something together for you. If you have not seen my last video, I've put together a trading central where you can literally steal my trading plan, where you can see my trading playbook, where you can use this for yourself. This is a place where you have a playbook, a daily report card, a trading plan, a trading journal, a place to do your market outlooks. You can watch the news all at one single page. I've made this limited. I've decided to make this limited because I only want action takers on this and people that really want it. So if it sells out, it sells out. I maybe open it again sometime in the future. A lot of people already took advantage of this. So if it is still available, I would really recommend you to download it and use it to improve your trading. Okay, so what does your trading plan need to contain? Which pairs you're going to trade, which time you're going to trade, and which session you're going to trade. And then what trades you are going to take. I would recommend only taking trades from your playbook, if you already have a playbook. Then your session. Choose one session that you're going to master. If it is London, it is London, New York, Asian, whatever you want. I trade London only. That's because where I live, London opens at 9 a.m. Perfect for me. And London has the most volatility for the pairs I trade. Second thing to consider in your choice of what session you're going to trade is the pairs you're going to trade. Some pairs are more volatile in some sessions than the others. So consider that before making your choice. Then we come to the most important thing in trading, and that is your discipline. Your discipline and your mental edge. Yes, I'd say mental edge because it is a real thing. People are always talking about technical edge, but there is also something called the mental edge. Some people experience more FOMO or greed than others. Some people are built different than others psychologically. That's why you need to know yourself first, and you also need to know yourself first before you can tell yourself what kind of trader you are. Most of you know that we have 3 kind of traders: scalpers, intraday, and swing traders. Most people just pick one that they like. They like swing trading, they like scalping, they like intraday trading. I trade intraday myself, but I did not choose that because I just liked it. I chose that because of one specific reason. And a really nice story to tell you how I chose intraday trading. So when I was younger, I used to play a lot of Call of Duty. And in Call of Duty, you can just wait or you can just rush in, you know? Just run to the enemies and try to kill them. That's what I did. I always rushed into the enemy spawn and I would go get them. My best friend at the time also played Call of Duty a lot with me, and he was the complete opposite of me. He was the more defensive way. He would be the guy with a sniper in the back, or going around the enemies, going in their back, and just being more tactical about it. And when I started trading, I saw a lot of skills that I had in my gaming come back in my trading. I was never fearful, you know. I would always go in, I would always be impulsively, I always rush into the enemy spawn. And that's the same with trading. I'm not fearful. I was never fearful. But the thing is that I used to overtrade a lot. I used to over risk a lot because I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of the market, I'm not afraid to lose. That's the thing that a lot of you guys have. You are afraid to lose. And that's also a mental edge thing. You are the guy with the sniper in the back. And I understand that. That's a really good thing to have. But you need to take your shots. You need to go in sometimes to win the game. And that's the same with trading. You need to take that trade to win the trade. If you don't take the trade, you can't win it. So if you're afraid of taking trades, I would advise you to remind yourself that you lost that money already. Because that's why you're afraid. The money. To lose the money. You're afraid to lose that 100, 200, 300, 500, whatever is on the line. But in reality, you already lost it. When you place that trade with your stop loss, you agree to yourself to put that 100 on the line. And you agree to yourself to lose it. And nothing happens if you lose it. You just go on with your game, you just go on with your edge. And you just trade the next trade the best as possible. One trade at a time. So, I want you guys to remember yourself, once you place that trade, the money is gone. Not when it hits stop loss. Once the trade is placed, the money is gone. And that's a nice bridge to the fourth thing I want to talk with you guys about, and that is risk management. If your risk management is not correct, you will not win in trading. The only thing we can control is your risk, because we can't control the outcome. Principally, we still can lose. It can go either way. Price action can go either way. It can go up, it can go down. So the only thing we have in hand is that risk management. That is that 100 risk that's on the line, that 200 risk that's on the line. That's the only thing we can control. So make sure you have a plan in place, a risk management plan, before you start your challenge, before you start opening your accounts and trading. You need to have that risk management plan in place. And also prepare for the worst case scenario. What do you do if you lose 5 trades in a row? What do you do if you lose 10 trades in a row? Do you lower your risk? Do you higher your risk? Some people do that. What do? You need to have that in place. I would recommend if you lose 5 trades in a row, lower your risk, half it, maybe risk 0.5%, maybe risk 0.25%, because you're on the losing streak. And the best way to get out of it is to get yourself on a winning streak, not by revenge trading, not by upping your lot size, hoping you would make all your money back. Because as most of us know that are long in the game, you never make your money back with revenge trading. That's the hard truth about it. Then the fifth thing why you're not a profitable trader yet is you're rushing it. You are rushing your trading results and you are rushing your trading progress. Believe me guys, I've been there. I've wanted to quit my job in a month. I've wanted to quit my job in 3-6 months. But that doesn't happen if you aim for that. Don't get me wrong, goals are good. Goals are very, very good. But you need to be realistic about it. And in my opinion, you don't need to put a time on it, because this is a 1 versus 1 game. And that opponent of yours is yourself. So how are you going to win a game of yourself in a certain amount of time? It takes a lot of time to master that. It takes a lot of time to master trading. So don't expect to get it in 1 year, get it in 2 years. Of course, some people are profitable in 3 months, are profitable in 6 months, but some people win the lottery. That just happens. So don't rush it. That's also really important. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.